Did you know there's money waiting for you in Korea? Money you might not even know exists? If you're working in Korea on an E-9 or H-2 visa. This video could literally put thousands of dollars in your pocket. Stay until the end because missing this information could cost you big time. Here's the thing most foreign workers don't realize. Every single month while you've been working, your employer has been saving money for you. It's called the Departure Guarantee Insurance. Think of it as your retirement fund, Korean style. Your boss is required by law to deposit 8.3% of your monthly wage into this insurance account. Every month, no exceptions. And when you leave Korea, that money belongs to you. But here's where it gets serious. As of June 2025, over 21 billion won in unclaimed insurance money is just sitting there. That's millions of dollars that workers never collected. Even worse, around 19.6 billion won has already expired permanently because workers waited too long. Don't let that be you. So who qualifies? Let me break it down simply. First, you need an E-9 or H-2 visa. Second, you must have worked at the same company for at least 1 year. If you quit before 1 year, unfortunately, your employer gets that money instead of you. But once you hit that 1-year mark, every month of work counts toward your payout. 3 years of work? You get the full 3 years worth. Now let's talk about how much you could receive. The formula is straightforward. Take your monthly base salary, multiply by 8.3%. Then multiply by the number of months you worked. Let's say your monthly salary is 2.5 million won and you worked for 3 years. That's 36 months. Your insurance payout would be around 7.5 million won. That's roughly $5,500. Real money in your pocket. Here's the critical part. You only have 3 years to claim it. The clock starts ticking from the day you leave your job. After 3 years? Gone forever. No appeals. No exceptions. This is why so many workers lose their money. They go back home and forget. Then by the time they remember, it's too late. Let me walk you through how to actually get your money. You have 3 options for receiving payment. Option 1: transfer to your Korean bank account. This is the fastest if you're still in Korea. Option 2: transfer to your home country bank account. Perfect if you've already returned home. Option 3: cash pickup at Incheon or Gimhae Airport. You can literally collect cash on your way out of Korea. To apply, you can contact Samsung Fire and Marine Insurance. They manage this fund. Call their foreign worker hotline at 02-2261-8400. They have interpreters available. You can also use their mobile app to check your balance and apply directly. Download the Samsung Fire Foreign Worker app and register with your alien registration number. Here's a pro tip many workers miss. The Departure Guarantee Insurance uses your base salary for calculations, but your legal retirement pay should be calculated using your average wage, including overtime and bonuses. If your legal retirement pay is higher than your insurance payout, your employer must pay you the difference. This is your right. Don't leave money on the table. One more important thing. If you change jobs during your time in Korea, you have separate insurance accounts at each company. That means you need to claim from each workplace individually. Workers often forget about their first job and lose that money. Before I wrap up, let me give you a quick checklist. Number 1: confirm your insurance enrollment. Call the hotline or check the app. Number 2: calculate your expected payout before you leave. Number 3: choose your payment method. Bank transfer or airport pickup. Number 4: apply before your 3-year deadline. Number 5: check for any retirement pay difference from your employer. Navigating Korean labor law as a foreign worker can be confusing. If you need help understanding your rights or claiming what you're owed, DODREAM is here for you. Visit our website for free consultation and let us guide you through the process. Don't leave Korea without your money. You earned it.